Another source of inefficiencies in MRO inventory management is when reorder points exist historically within your asset management database but have not been updated to reflect more recent stock item usage. Taking a look at Smart Inventory Management interactive visualization, we can see how you can use your most recent stock item usage to create a new, statistically appropriate reorder point recommendation. In this example here, we have 2,334 stock items, which have historically 8,809 issue transactions. We can begin by filtering these stock items to those which only have a new reorder point recommendation. This new recommendation is dependent on the criticality of the stock item and what service level, if any, needs to be maintained. For example, there's going to be some stock items where there is less risk in letting the stock drop to a low level. For others, though, you may need to maintain stock availability, perhaps at a 99% service level. At this 99% service level, we can use the stock items where a recommendation to increase the reorder point value is made. These are shown, the top 10 of those alongside. We can also see the top 10 stock items for which a recommendation to decrease the existing reorder point value is made. At the same time, we would still be expecting to maintain that 99% service level with this new recommendation. The overall financial impact, say for those for which a decrease recommendation is made, is displayed on the right-hand side. In this case, a saving of 3,762. If we want to look a little bit more closely at any recommendation, for example, this stock item 2421, we can then make the selection interactively on the visualization. Here now we can see the financial impact of the recommendation for this item. But also below, we can examine historically why this recommendation is being made. In this case, we save a little over 1,000, but we can also see historically overall the previous transactions, a comparison between the balance of the stock and the existing minimum level. Presented for visual effect is what the recommended new minimum level would be. Critical to our recommendation is the historical transactions, but also the lead time value and the safety stock requirements for each individual item. At the bottom of the screen, the details are shown, such as the existing minimum level, here 114, the current lead time, here 1,064 days, and the new recommended minimum level or reorder point, in this case 38. The impact is also displayed. So what this means here is that we have a statistical model which makes a recommendation that we reduce the reorder point level to 38 from 114, and we can still maintain a 99% service level.